Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, everything seems to be going well. Guess I'll just wait a little bit. Create new game. Let's call it what? 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 Okay. Let's go with the bare bones project. Okay. What should I name the game? You know, this is your choice, the only viewer I have right now. What should I name this game? Requiem? Got it. Making sure that's spelled correctly. Nope, there's an E in between the I and the M. And the R is capitalized. Okay. Game path, yep, mess. Create a folder. Let's just name this folder live game. Okay. Browse files again. Click live game. Select this folder. Yep. There it goes. Oh, I'm going to tell Thomas it should. Okay. And okay. Now if we head over here to map editor, over into overworld, you can see here is our little game here. And characters, base Justin. If we double click on this, we can open the voxel editor. And I'm going to completely delete this guy. Oh wait, I can't hit backspace. I need to hit delete. 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 I actually think there's a bit of delay. Not too much, but just a bit. I don't know what this does. There's a few things I don't know what do, but still learning. Oh, Venic Fox, I'm giving you a shout out. There's a little bit of delay, not much, but hey, who cares? So I think that I'm going to completely make a new character. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new character completely. So if we go over here to the voxel editor, new character, voxel based name. What should I name the character? Your choice again. Jackson, got it. Okay, so, whoops, did not mean to make them that big. This is going to be a 16 by 16 character. There we go. Alright, so, I'm going to visualize what Jackson looks like, alright? Ready? So, I think that Jackson's a demon. Just a tiny little imp demon, you know what I'm saying? Jackson's first leg is going to start here. Like those. Dupe, 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 dupe. Nope, nope. Add that there, add that there. Add this here, this here, this here, this here, this here. I feel like that's a decent start to a demon. There's like a tiny little flying demon. Layered up. Yep, that looks good so far. Give them some arms. This is just an overcomplication version of screen sharing. I mean, a little bit. Okay, now, actually, I'm going to get rid of the arms I just made. Jackson's gonna have a white shirt. I said a white shirt, maybe, if I can. Yep, that looks good. One of these. One of these. Back to the red. We'll give him a little head here. Don't give him a little head here. Don't clip that. This man's head is huge. Okay. So paint his eyes black. Then give him his horns. Yeah, it's a good demon horn. Nope. Kind of looks like ears. Maybe if I paint them darker. Oh, kind of like that. No, they look more like ears now. Paint them lighter. Yeah. Kind of, I guess. Yeah, that works though. Okay, so now that we have, actually let's give our guy some shoes over here. Paint this gray. Gray. It's trying to work. Gray. Okay, so now that we have Jackson over here, let's save that. Go over here to the map editor. Put Jackson. Actually, wait. First, we're going to make a new tile. We're going to call this Heckground. That's good. Okay, let's actually passable tile. Then we go over here, right here, generate flat tile, base color. Let's make this base color kind of dark red. Like that. Yeah, that works. Okay, and generate. Try to find a good one that kind of looks like hell. Yeah, that works. And then save. Map editor. Lag. Your camera kind of back like that. So here's hell. Let's put Jackson. Oh, that's annoying. It's not center. Bloop, 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 bloop. There we go. Jackson's gonna go right here in the center. And this is where we're gonna start off. So first thing I'm gonna make is, let's just put like a pitchfork in the ground. Oh, hey. Pitchfork in the ground is fine, but let's make this 16 by 16. I didn't see your comment till a while ago. Sorry about that. Yep, that works. Then let's just take a new 4x4 tile. Kind of like that. Dude. Most people we've ever had on this stream. Yep. That is true. Also, I think there's a bit of a delay. Not much of a delay, but just a bit of a delay. Because it's currently 7:35 p.m. as I'm saying this. But I don't know. Takes a second to get to you guys. And I can see it. Here, I can bring over this screen. Ooh, cool. This is what it looks like for what? Oh my gosh, screen inception. Hold on, you see that? Anyways, this is what it looks like for me because I can see what I'm filming. Anyways, so here's this, and then there's everything else. It's actually running a lot smoother. Hold on. It's running a bit smoother than it was before. Anyways, yeah, so I have this on my other screen over here, and I can see, this is how I can see what you guys are commenting. Anyways. Let's make this pitchfork. Ray handle. Did did Vinegar Crazy Dude leave? Thomas left because I currently only have one concurrent viewer. Here, I'll bring this back over here real quick. If I enlarge this a little bit, I only have one concurrent viewer. That tells me how many people have clicked on my video so far. And you and Thomas, yeah, this was on your snap, really? Really, man? Alright. With the name and your channel name? Really? Alright. No, I don't really care. Hey, I mean, more popular for me, right? I think you need 1 million, almost 1 million, I think 1 million or 1,000 subscribers to even start earning money. And even then, you have to earn a lot of money each time. You have to get a lot of likes and stuff each time you post a video. That's why a lot of YouTubers are like, comment and like on this video. Because only a certain percent of you guys are subscribed, you know. Stuff like that. It's stupid, but that's how they make money. And I get it now. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to tell you to do that. That's your choice. But, like, if you want to do it, you can. I'm not going to tell you not to. Doop, doop, doop. Yeah, I think that looks good. Save that. Let's go put this in hell. Yeah, I think there works. And then I think if I go over here and select it, I can rotate it. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Looking good. Ooh, looking good, looking good. What else should I add? Because we currently have the demon you play as and a pitchfork. This is a dilemma. After Thomas left, I dropped fire and lava. Good idea, good idea. So if I go over here to tiles, and oh no wait, no, I need to go over here to voxel editor, new tile, lava, create. This is gonna be an impassable tile, meaning you can't walk on it because lava. Then we'll go over here to the noise generator again. Generate flat noise. Make this orangish. Yeah, that's good. Generate. That kind of looks green actually. Maybe a more yellow orange. Nah, more red orange and brighter orange. Huh. I don't know. It just doesn't really feel like lava to me. Let's make it brighter. Like that, maybe kind of a. Screw it, let's just make it ourselves. So let's take an orange kind of like that and spread it all the way across the bottom. That seems good. Then we'll add some brighter orange in there. Oh, wait. It needs to be 2D on the ground for the tile to actually work. Anyways, so we're just going to select paint. And let's kind of add some of these around. This lava already looks horrible. Holy crap. Oh, lava is like dark orange outline and bright orange inside. Good idea, good idea. Make it kind of more red, darker. Bit more orange maybe. Let's try. And then we just make it brighter orange on the inside. So kind of like, that looks nothing like lava, but it needs to be fixed. There needs to be some hard outlined edges, maybe. Yeah, this isn't working. I'm gonna go back to the noise generator. Let's go. I don't know. I just can't seem to get it to be bright enough. Maybe like that would work. Yeah, that kind of works. And then I have an idea. If I go down here and I hit insert new frame, I get a new noise generator with the same, hit generate and OK. And then if I go right over here, I can make a new animation, name lava, start frame 1, end frame 2, loop, speed, 8 frames a second, sound effect. I don't add sound in the game. Okay. And let's play the lava. Yeah, that's decent. That's some decent lava. I could make it slower, I guess. That might help. Oh, cool. You like it fast like that, or should I make it slower? I don't know. Let's see what it looks like slower. Lava part 2. Let's take it down like half. So let's just take it down to 4. Let's try that. Yeah, it looks much better. Okay, so save that. Map editor. Let's add kind of a lava lake, maybe going this way, kind of down here, like that. Differentiate it from the ground. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, I think it looks good. I think it looks like lava. Add that up here, actually. Yeah, it looks more like lava. Okay, so you can't walk across lava. So what else should I add? Fire, you said? Fire could work. I could animate fire too. Fire. Alright, so fire. Fire's I actually kind of like this orange color we already have picked out for the fire. Or, I guess fire's kind of like white, then yellow, then orange, then red, right? So white. This is not gonna look good, but hey, I did my best, right? Okay, so kind of that, and then let's kind of start getting these edges going. Yep, that looks good so far. Yeah, that's looking kind of like fire. No, it's not. It looks like snow. It still works. Delete that as needed. Let's kind of get a rise up here. Let's do 5. Could you make other demons around the world that would be hostile or allies or something? I did make a code in my other game for allies. I can import that into this game and then make other demons allies, some demons allies, and then I could make hostile demons. I could also make world transitions. It's actually a pretty decent game design engine, so there's a lot of stuff I could do. So yeah, I could definitely do that. I could definitely make some hostile demons. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then I'm actually gonna click delete. Delete the insides here, and then I can start surrounding this in yellow. Let's pick a good yellow though. Like, yeah, that's a decent yellow. So pretty much just go across this entire thing, one each with yellow. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can do with this game, because for each voxel, well, for each character you make, you can give it specific stats, like health, attack, movement. There's 2 different types of battle. You can have strategic battle, and then you can have just like turn-based. I actually kind of prefer the strategic. I'll show you them in a minute when I go to preview of the game. Okay, now let's go to orangish, like that. Oh wait, I need to delete that real quick. Okay, just like that. Get rid of that. Alright, this is looking pretty good. Let's just add the red on the outside. And then I think we're done with the fire. Man. So, done anything fun recently? Yes. Anyways, done anything fun recently? Because you know, like you and me hung out yesterday, but you yourself done anything fun? No. Well, there's the fire done. And then I think that if I add a new frame, I can come back to this thing, copy all of it, go, didn't you say you would animate it? Yeah. Give me a second. I have a great idea. Paste. Yep. And then if we select it all again, I think that I can... This is the exact front, right? But I think that if I select this all, there's a way I can... There we go. Rotate it. So if I just rotate it twice, just like so, and select it all, animations, yep, everything again. Let's name this animation fire. Okay. Oh, forgot to unselect everything on frame 1. Alright. Fire! I might be able to put a third one in here where the bigger flames are right here, and then that would look better actually. So if I just go over here and make a new one of these, go back. Oops, not copy, I need to select all of this. Then copy. Then go over to frame 3, paste, accept, select it all again, click rotate this way one time, unselect everything, go back to this frame, unselect everything here, create a new animation, have it end on, start on frame 1, end on frame 3, loop speed 4, fire, try 2, yep, and let's see how this one looks. Yeah, that one looks much better, doesn't it? Okay, so now let's save this. Go back over here to the map, and let's just kind of sprinkle some fire around. Kind of looks like Minecraft fire. Yeah, it looks like Minecraft fire. Okay, so wait, actually cancel. Save all of this first. Make sure everything else is saved. I don't need to save this, but okay, save. Hold on, it's gotta save the model. This is gonna take a second. There we go. Make sure that's saved. Didn't change. Saved. Saved. Should be good now. Now I have to time this perfectly, and dang it. Okay, hold on. So basically what happens is this window, the window that the game starts on, is on my other laptop screen. So I have to grab it and bring it over to this one as fast as I possibly can so that I can play it on the screen for you to see. Dang it, I missed again. Come on, I can do better than this. I mean, kind of close. Oh wait, I forgot. I can do this. Okay. Let's see if this worked. Nope, because we still start as base Justin. So I need to fix this being the character you start as. That is what I need to fix. Yes, I want to quit. Map editor. Select you and the properties. Man, I forgot how to do this. Maybe it's in the character settings, so model properties, character tags, name, portrait, speaking pitch, footsteps sound, inventory equipment, default behavior standard, blah 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 blah, train tag sound, size and tiles, vision, height, 2-dimensional, health, attack, defense, movement, animation, and then finally it says custom properties. Man, this is confusing as frick. Maybe if I just like delete base Justin, it might work. Oh, I need to close this resource, and then I can go over here and delete Justin. Now it might work. Jackson. Yeah, it worked. Thank you. Okay, startup script, startup. Yep, okay. Alright, let's hope this worked. Options. Windowed. Bring this over here. Full screen again. Back. Move this so I can see if it's actually working. So you can see or not. Yep. Oh, hi, there's two people here. Hello to the other person. Well, maybe I just remove the other one and it might work. Let me try that. If I go over here to the map editor, map tools, selection, U, delete. It should work now. Oh wait, I need to save this first. Now it should work. Options, windowed, bring this back over here. Move this back out of the way. Full screen, back. New game, let's see if this worked. Yes! It worked! We are now a demon. Okay. Now that that works, I think the next thing we should focus on is I guess we could always focus on main menu. So we can put like an image behind this, which can be any image, or we could just take a background map by going over here, creating a new map, just hitting title. Okay, yep. We're literally just gonna place, let's just do a, I don't know, literally just do a 3x4 right here. Put a piece of fire here, pitchfork in the background, and then our character right here. And then hit save. We should be able to go over here to the UI editor, background map, title. I guess it wouldn't hurt maybe to, I don't know, maybe I just make this a little bigger. We're not going to use it, so it's not going to take up any space when you go to play the game or anything, but so let's go over here to map tools. No, I don't need map tools, I just need hologram. And then I'm just gonna bloop 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 bloop. Why not another Jackson? But this time, let's rotate Jackson. This is facing away from the camera. Let's put some more fire in here. This very comical tiny fire. One more pitchfork right here. And it kind of just looks like I took this half of the map and like kind of flipped it and copied it over here. But hey, I guess we could put like one more fire here and here. Now it looks different. Maybe getting rid of the pitchfork would help. And putting in, no, let's not put in another pitchfork. That should be fine right there. UI editor. Yeah, that's better. That works. Title color, let's make the title color a bright red. Yep. Title font size. Let's bring it up to 90. Title font is fine. Title spacing 50. Text spacing, text color. We could also make that a bright red. Cursor color. Let's make that white. Background color, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Background music, none. Camera position. Yeah, that works. Okay, so now we'll save the title screen. And, oh yeah, the other person did leave. Anyways, now we have a title screen. So, I'm gonna head back over here to the overworld, close out the title. Zero respawn, so I could make an enemy and put him in here. I just need to go over here to characters and create a new character. Let's name this just basic demon. Okay. Literally just make this the tiniest little imp we can. Literally just like let's see. 2 legs. Make him a little fat imp. Actually, he's kind of big now. Literally, let's make him this tiny. Let's actually get rid of his little stomach. Let's instead paint his chest to gray color, kind of like armor maybe? I don't know. And let's just give him a tiny head. And then we'll also put some armor on his head. And ooh, wait. Should I give him a pitchfork? That's uneven. But should I give him a pitchfork or a scythe? What do you think? Pitchfork or scythe? Scythe. Alright, so let's then go over here. Way cooler. You want the basic demon to be cooler than just this tiny guy with a big scythe? Alright. Restart from scratcheth. So, oh, the scythe needs to be cooler. Okay, yeah, I got it. So, let's give his scythe like a little handle thing here. Bring it up to 3 more. Make it dark red. 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, no, that is a horrible scythe. I need to redo that. Yeah, no. The scythe is cooler than the pitchfork. Oh, okay. I misunderstood you multiple times. So let's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Add this little back part. 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. No, it just kind of looks like a giant hammer with an axe. Just kind of looks like a giant hammer axe or something. I don't know. Think scythe. What does a scythe look like? Maybe if we put it at kind of like an angle. Yeah, it still looks horrible. Come on, I got this. I can make a scythe. Hold on, I'm being texted. Maybe it's just a color. Maybe if I make it like a iron scythe, it might help. Whoops. No. Alright, we got another person. Hello. I mean, we're kind of getting there, right? Ish. It's supposed to look like a scythe. Maybe if I... like that? Ish. I can probably... Okay, thank you for sending me the pictures so that I can kind of get ideas. So let's see. I did not mean to delete that. Oh, we got another person. Hello. Yeah, that works. Maybe I could... There we go. Yeah, that's a scythe. That's definitely a scythe. What do you think? Okay, yeah. This is definitely it. Okay, so now let's go over to the model properties. So let's see, health. Let's have him have very low health, but do a good amount of damage. And he's very small, so I'll only give him 1 movement. Yeah, that seems great. Okay, so let's save that. Go over to combat. So first we just create an enemy. Let's just name it Mini Demon. Yep, that works. Model, basic demon. Yep, perfect. And then he'll give you, let's say, 20 experience points. We need to put loot drops down here, which is like currency and stuff, but so I think that works. And we can create the first battle, which is just going to be called 1 Mini Demon. Perfect, right? Tactical turn-based. Paste. We're not cooking turkeys. Let's make a new map. Let's just call this battle. Okay. Go over here, grab some ground. Perfect. What is the story of this game? That's a good question. Oh, hey, we have 3 views. Oh, we have 3 viewers, but it just dropped down to 1 again. So I'd say you are just this normal dude living your life when splat, you die, right? Fall into a sewer drain, house fire, lion on a safari, crap like that, right? You die. You're sent to hell, and in order to essentially get to heaven, you have to defeat the devil himself. And he's going to be the main boss, and that's your goal. You have to kill the demon so that you can go to heaven. What do you think? Good story, good idea, good goal? I feel it's good. Okay, so now that we have the combat put in here, okay. Now that we have the combat put in here, player spawn, random tile, blah blah blah, victory script, none, defeat script, none, doesn't matter. Drag 1 mini demon to the battle. That's it, 1 mini demon. And this will be your first fight. Now if we go over here to this main map, you're going to spawn right here in like this area, I think. So let's put just a normal basic mini demon that'll wander around right here. And if we go over here to select tools, select him. And let's say that when you get next to the player, you're gonna, oh wait, did I save that? Save. Yay, saved. Now, when the player is next to the mini demon, it's gonna start a battle. And when the player interacts, it's also gonna start the battle. So you can either interact or you can get next to it to start the battle. And before I forget, stuff like this, this is just the normal stuff that your player gets. If we go down here to level, we can make level 2, in which you need to get, I'd say, 20 XP. So you literally just have to get through that first boss fight and you level up your character. You're going to get 5 more points of health, 2 more points of damage. We'll give them 10 gold coins, up his player speed by, let's just do up his player speed by 3. And we won't up the movement until we reach around level 5, let's say. So, if we should just be able to save this, and then once our character gets 20 XP, it should go to level 2. Seems easy enough, right? Okay, so let's make sure we save all of this. Save. Saved, everything's saved, yep. So it should, alright, let's go ahead, options, windowed, and we'll bring this over here so that I can play test my game. Now, let's back to full screen. New game, let's test this out, alright? So, everything's fine, please work, please work. I should just have to get next to him, and yes, battle started, okay. So let's go here and turn, go here and turn, go here and attack him. Oh, I forgot about that. Ugh. there's this glitch where when I finish killing an enemy, it makes my character like white out for some reason. I don't know why it happens. If anybody watching this has ever used this and could give me a hint as to why that happens, that would be great. So we just need to turn off the damage shake / flash, and that should get rid of it. Alright, so let's save that and try again and see if it worked. Okay, here we go. New game. We go over here. We start the fight. Just gotta get through this again. Yes! We're our normal selves again. So, it does work. Now, if we go over here, actually no, let's mark it using path. So if I just create a new tile, and we'll just call it the transport tile. Okay, passable. We're literally just gonna make this a gray tile with just some blue swirly stuff in the middle, because everybody knows that when you stand on a gray thing with blue swirly stuff in it, you go somewhere else, right? That makes the most logical sense. So we just go over here, like that. Then we just draw some quick swirls in there. This tile, because swirls are so easy to draw in Pixel, right? Okay, just like that, and let's kind of wind the swirlies back this way a bit, just like that. Then we'll just put some white spots in here every once in a while. And now any person who has ever played video games will know that this takes you somewhere else. So we just hit save, map editor, transport tile, and let's just put it right there. And then if I did this correctly, I should be able to hit save, create a new map, title this Underworld 2, and like this, transport, hold on, I need to, sorry, it's not symmetrical and it makes me mad. So now if we select this, go back to the overworld and select this, I should be able to link with map Underworld 2. Now, if I'm correct, both of these should now just automatically take you to each other when stepped on. So, oh wait, hold on, I forgot to save. 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 Did I save the transport tile? Yes. Okay, so this should work now. Let's just options, windowed, back over here, move stuff around on my other screen. Okay, back to full screen, and new game. So there we go. Now I just go right over here, and yes, it works. Okay, great, great. This is great, right? So if I just map editor, so what should go here? That is the question. Let's think about putting maybe a market on the side. That might work. So if I just create create a new character. I think I remember how to do this. It's actually really tough because I couldn't find a video tutorial on how to do this correctly. No, wait, that was with a different thing. Oh, looks like my caps lock is on, so whenever you visit the shopkeeper, it's going to be shopkeeper! Okay, so now let's just make a shopkeeper real quick. Model tools, ++. What should this look like? What makes a... Who would be selling stuff in the literal underworld, right? Is it going to be like a demon, the devil himself, one of the devil's minions, demon, or maybe some dude in a trench coat who opens it up and there's just like pirated CDs in all the pockets, you know, one of those things. So I guess that makes the most sense, right? So 3 here, 3 here. Nah, I'm gonna make a demon in a trench coat, but he's just holding his trench coat open. So you'll go to talk to him, and he just has all his goods in his trench coat, like in the pockets. Okay. Delete these two. And then wearing a white tank top. Back arrow. White tank top. Okay. And then we just take red. Oops. Back arrow. Red here and here, and then that's going to be the head. And let's delete this real quick. Okay, yep, that's good. Might put a little fedora on him in a second, but I think that's good for now. Paint some eyes on him. And then here's the big part, him holding open his trench coat, right? So I guess let's just like a red arm like this, and then kind of a trench coat across the back, holding the trench coat open like so. Just like that, and then I can just from here to there. Boom, over the top of his arm, and then we can put like pockets and stuff in here full of like CDs and pirated crap, you know. And then I am gonna put the other side on, although I think with the other side his arm is gonna be down, just kind of not doing anything, just kind of there. Yeah, just like that. Let's put the fedora on him. Okay, well now he's just a balding middle-aged man, but then we make the hat more hat-like. And boom. Perfect shopkeeper. Then let's just slightly darken this. And then that's the color the inside of his trench coat's going to be, because you're not really going to see him from the back, so you're not going to see that. And then let's just put let's just put kind of a blue square here. Maybe bright green line here. Green line right across the bottom, just like that. Yep. That looks good. That looks like he's showing you his goods, the stuff he's got to sell. So let's save that and then go to the map. Let's put him right back here, like so. And then I should be able to just select him and his properties, and then I'm going to have him run a script. But first I have to pull open, I think it's a widget, I can't remember. Screens, credits, themes. Yeah, it's definitely a widget. So new widget, let's just do shopkeeper. Okay, then we can go over here to widget tools and shop item slot. Make this a bit bigger because we don't want them having like nothing, right? We want them having maybe a few things, but not a lot of stuff at the same time. You want them having a decent amount of stuff, but not all the stuff. So yeah, just like that. And then there'll be 4 slots here, which if I go over here to element properties, the item that he's selling is in there, its count, and then when we make the item, it'll ask us for stuff here. So let's go ahead and make an item. So let's see, what's something that a demon would use? There's so many things that I could choose for this. Weapons. Okay, I might have to go back to YouTube and find a video on some dude explaining how to give your character like weapons and armor stuff, because I can't remember that. You know what I could do though? I think that we go over here to script editor. There's no scripts. I have to do all this stuff. Man, a weapon is a great idea. I will make a weapon. What's a weapon a demon would use? I feel like a demon would definitely use like a scythe, maybe a knife. Alright, knife it is. Description, stab. New image, 16 by 16 image, let's just call this knife. Then knife. Perfect. It's amazing. Let's just kind of white around the edges. Just like that. Maybe a bit darker down the back of it. Like that. Yeah, it looks like a good knife. That's a great knife. So let's hit OK. Perfect. That's the knife. Image descriptions tab. Blah blah blah. Equipable on effect. Stat boost. Attack. No, it needs to be a weapon. Melee type. Attack animation. Minimum damage, maximum damage, ammo, none, unlimited use, because it's a melee weapon. Object model. I need to model a knife. So this needs to be simple. Let's just make the knife. I need to open our character Jackson here. So about, hold on, I'm just gonna, we want him to be able to hold the knife, right? Because that's what it's for. Oh, thank you. So copy the knife. Go back over to the knife object, paste, accept, and then we can make it so the knife's there, then just delete that, and it should be in his hand when we equip it, right? That makes the most sense. I think I need to do some crap with object binding, but if I do, I can figure it out along the way. So let's just do this, paint that. Yeah, that looks great. So then we can just delete this. Then we link it that, and then we get knife. No, not. I messed up. Hold on. There's a specific reason you need to name it weapon. It's so that the way that it ends up equipping your character is gonna be as a weapon. Anyways, so click off that right there. Weapon, just like so. And now if I go back to items, object model, knife, can be dropped on, blah blah blah, tags, properties. Properties don't matter, none of this really matters. Okay, minimum damage, we're gonna make its minimum damage. Its minimum damage is gonna be 10. Its maximum damage is gonna be 15, 10 to 15 for a knife. In a video game, that seems good in a video game. So save that, and then don't need to do anything here. I need to go over to UI editor. Oh wait, I need to set its cost. There's a lot I have to do for the knife. So its cost, let's just make it 10. 10 coins works. So then we can go over here, save this, go over here to UI editor. We're gonna make this widget specifically, the shop item slot specifically. No, wait. I need to select this. Yeah, there we go. Then I can put the knife in there as the widget. Count. Let's just, you can only sell one knife so that you don't accidentally buy multiple. And that should do it, if I'm correct. I just need to create the script. So let's just title this shop. Yeah, that works. And then literally all I should need to do is find the thing that brings up the widget. Show widget. And the widget ID. And this widget's ID. Widget ID. Oh, just shopkeeper. So I'm just gonna copy that over to my script. Right here. Control V. And I think it needs to end up being shop underscore keeper. Just like that. Yeah, it works. And then before I forget, I need to show close button on. So if I didn't hit that, then when you go to load this up, the X that's over here wouldn't be there, and you would just have to click over here to close it. So I end up putting this there all the time, so that you know that's where you have to click to close it, or else you're not going to know how to get it off the screen. So save that. Save the script. Let's go over here to the map. Map tool, select this guy. Entity properties, when player interacts. Run script. Shop. Okay. That was a lot of work, but if I'm correct, all of this should work together in my favor and hopefully end up to where I can buy the knife from him, equip the knife, and I'll do more damage. This is super complicated, but hey, whoever said it was easy. Making sure everything is saved. I did not save the knife. Did I save the item itself? Yep. Quests, blah, 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 stats. Don't need to go over to documentation. Okay. So now I should be able to hit quick play. Yep. No problems. Okay. So. Options. Unfull screen window so that I can bring it over here. And then I can full screen so that you guys can see this. And then I should just be able to hit new game. Oh wait, I have to do this so I can get money. Forgot about that. So let's just. Where is this guy? Is he down here? Oh, he's all the way in the corner. Of course he is. Actually, let's go over here so that he can't attack me, but I can attack him first. Boom. Dead, right? So, that should have leveled me up, giving me more stuff. Okay, this is the moment we waited for. And it didn't work. Oh, wait. It says the ID doesn't exist. So, I think I messed up with... Maybe I don't need the other underscore. Maybe I can just put it as space. Let's try this and hope it works. Options. Full screen again. New game. Okay, kill this guy real quick so don't know why that happened, but okay. Actually, I'm going to do the same thing I did last time. Okay, now if I just go up here. Sorry, I'm being texted. Okay, come on. Work with me here, alright? There's one thing you have to do, so do it. Yes! Buy the knife. Inventory. Equip. Knife. And that is a problem. Okay. So let's think what could have gone wrong here, right? Maybe I didn't assign it as a weapon. Items. Nope. Weapon on. Type melee. Attack animation. Doesn't matter. Object model. Knife. Yep. Tags. Weapon. That might help. Don't that. So, man, this is confusing. Equipment. So it should go to right hand. So maybe now that I put the tag in here as a weapon, it's assigned as a weapon, unlimited use, well, yada 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 yada. Let's try this. Let's save. And try this again. I have two screens up, so whenever... Did I ever explain this? Probably. And there's nobody new watching, so I don't think I need to explain it again. Never mind. Okay, go over here. Okay. Boom. As you can see, there was a little tag above me that said level up. That's why I have coins. Now if I go in here, I need to stop this guy from moving, so I'll have to put it in to where he can't move. But then this should be equipable now. Please. Alright, it doesn't show up, but it's equipped. That's a start, right? Okay, well, I've been streaming for, let's see here, an hour and 28 minutes. So I think I'm going to call it here for now. I will stream again either tomorrow or next weekend. But before I go, I am actually going to set this to where he can't move. You're immobile now. Okay, so I will see everybody later. Bye.